Google AppSheet has a somewhat hidden assistant that's very similar to Siri that you would use on your iPhone or Google Assistant that you use on an Android phone. And you can use this assistant to very quickly find things within AppSheet. Once it's enabled, it shows up in your app's navigation and you can either type or speak commands to it. I stumbled upon this the other day when I was doing prep for another video, and it's actually really helpful, especially if you have an app like a CRM where you need to be able to find records really quickly. I had to dig a little bit to figure out how to turn it on, but you can get to it by going to the Intelligence menu, looking under Options down at the bottom of the left column, clicking Smart Assistant, and then turning the option on. Once you do that, it'll show up under your menu, and when you click it, it will bring you into Assistant mode, and from there you can either type or speak commands. Okay, so now we just need to figure out how to give it commands. This is an app for managing swim meets, and we have a table that contains the roster of all the swimmers. So if I want to see all the swimmers, I can just say, show me everyone in the roster. Or if I want to see all the coaches, I can say, show me all the coaches. And you can also filter on the fields within your records. So if I want to find everyone in the roster from the Pinecrest School, I can say, show me the roster for Pinecrest. And if you want to view the detail for a record, you can just use its label. For example, show me Jack Taylor. Finally, you can also use the assistant to run any actions that you've set up for each type. So for example, I can say, edit this record. So that's the AppSheet assistant. Pretty cool, right? If you want more AppSheet tips like this, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.